Now, prove trigonometric ratios 30 and 60. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 is equal to under root 3 by 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, tan 30 prove 1 by root 3, and tan 60 you have to prove root 3. Now, solution. Prove trigonometric ratios of 30 and 60. Let us take equilateral triangle ABC, that is angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Draw. A, B, C is an equilateral triangle of sides. Each side is, let each side be 2A, that is AB, BC, CA is equal to 2A. Distance of each side is 2A, 2A and 2A. Now let us drop a perpendicular from the vertex A to the side BC, and it is D. Let us drop a perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. This is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and this full is 60 degree, and these two angles are equal. We see that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC, by which rule this side equal to this side, this is common, and this is this, by RHS. This is congruent by RHS. Therefore you can say that angle BAD equal to angle DAC CPCT. So these angles are equal, so it is 30 degree. Now I take triangle ABD. So BD equals to DC. This is also by CPCT, and this is A and this is A. In triangle ABD, BD is equal to A, AB is equal to 2A. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square hypotenuse square is equal to P square plus B square. Hypotenuse is 2A ka whole square is equal to P ka square, that is AD square, and base is A square. So 4A square, this A square comes here, A square is equal to AD square. This implies AD is equal to root 3A. AD is equal to root 3A. Now AD you have, BD I have. BD is equal to A, and AB is equal to 2A. Now I will take the ratio of sin 30, sin 60. For in triangle ABD, sin 60 is equal to P upon H. In triangle ABD, sin 60 is P upon H. What is P? It is AD. And what is hypotenuse? It is AB. So sin 60 is equal to AD is what? Just now we have calculated, it is root 3A, and AB is 2A. So this is cancelled out. This is root 3 upon 2. Now similarly sin 30, it is again P upon H, but here perpendicular is changed. perpendicular is now BD and hypotenuse is AB. Hypotenuse is AB. Put the values. BD is what? BD is A and AB is 2A. It is sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Now I will calculate cos 30, that is base upon hypotenuse. If I take 30 this, what is base? What is base? Base is AD. Base is AD and hypotenuse is AB. Hypotenuse is AB. So cos 30 is equal to AD is root 3A and AB is 2A. This is cancelled out. So this is root 3 upon 2. So cos 30 we calculated, sin 30, sin 60, cos 30. Now I will calculate cos 60. Cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to, again base upon hypotenuse. Cos 60 is equal to, what is base now? In cos 60 base is BD. Hypotenuse is AB. What is BD? BD is A and AB is 2A. So it is 1 upon 2. Cos 60 1 upon 2. Now I will take tan 30. Tan 30 is P upon B. What is P? If it is 30 and P is BD, BD upon AD. BD is, what is BD? BD is BD is A and AD is root 3A. This is cancelled out. This is 1 upon root 3. This is also I proved it. Now tan 60. Now in tan 60 perpendicular is changed. Tan 60 the perpendicular is AD and base is BD. Now putting the values, AD is root 3A and it is A. Cancel out, it is root 3. This you can prove. So I can prove the ratios of 30 and 60 degree.